Hey guys, welcome back to the Decon Detailing YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to show you how to use a rinseless wash solution. Now, what is a rinseless wash? A rinseless wash is a highly dilutable polymer solution that you can dilute in water to wash your car instead of using your traditional car soap. Now, the advantages of using a rinseless wash over your normal car soap is you don't need access to free-flowing water. You can do this in your apartment complex, you can do it in your garage, and it requires little water. The benefit of using a rinseless wash also is that you don't have to rinse off the surface afterwards. All you need is a clean, dry microfiber towel to wipe off the surface, wipe off the solution and the dirt that comes off. Now today we're going to be using the Wolfgang Uber rinseless wash solution. As you can see, this bottle is pretty empty. I've used quite a lot of it over the couple of years. So what we're going to do is prepare our wash solution. I'll show you guys how to wash a car. Today's subject is going to be my fiance's 2019 Mazda CX5. The car does have a ceramic coating on it. It's coated with G-Technic Crystal Serum Light, as well as the topper of XOV4. So today's wash will be pretty easy. So what we have here is a 5-gallon bucket filled with garden hose water. What we're going to do is take about 1.5 ounces of the solution. The directions call for 1 ounce per 3 gallons. This is a 5-gallon bucket, so we're going to use 1.5 ounces. What's cool about this bottle is it actually has a little reservoir up top here, and then what this allows you to do is crack the top, squeeze it. You can see the solution filling up to the top, and you can see it's, if this camera can focus in on it, what you can see is it has graduated lines on it to show you a 1/2 ounce and the ounce marker. So what we'll do is we'll just take this solution, pour it into our bucket, and as I said, we need another 1/2 ounce, so we'll squeeze another 1/2 ounce out and put that into our water bucket. Give that a little swirl. Allow those polymers to disperse evenly through the water. Now there are multiple ways to wash a car. You can use your traditional wash mitt, just simply soak it in the bucket and wipe it across the surface of your paint. But today what we're going to do is a multi-towel method. So what we have here are about 6 Eagle Edgeless 350 towels from the Rag Company. They're a super plush microfiber towel that we'll put into our solution bucket. And what this will allow us to do is have a fresh towel with clean solution every time we make a pass on the panel. So we'll just let these soak for a little bit. So what we'll do here is we'll get a rag out of our bucket. You want to squeeze out some of the excess water, so you'll have just a slightly dripping towel. Then what you'll do is you'll put it on the paint, wipe in straight line motions. If you can see all of the dirt that's getting pulled up, so what we'll do is we'll switch to the clean side of the microfiber towel that still has solution on it. Continue wiping in straight line motions. Once that side gets dirty, what you can do is just fold the towel, get to a clean side. Now with the rinseless wash, you don't want to put a lot of pressure on the paint. You want to use just light pressure. You're basically just applying the solution to the surface. You don't want to dig in that dirt into the paint because that's going to cause additional scratching and marring, which we don't want. Now what is nice with this rinseless wash solution is it will encapsulate the dirt in a protective polymer barrier, and then when you wipe it across the surface, we'll actually grab the dirt that's emulsified in the rinseless wash polymer solution and keep it into the towel, but the long pile will actually protect it from scratching the surface. What we'll do with this dirty towel is just move it to the side, put it in a different bucket. We'll get a fresh towel from our rinseless wash solution and move on to the next panel. Now the benefit of using a rinseless wash is it can be used on all surfaces of the car. So you can use it on the plastic, the vinyl, you can use it on the glass. It doesn't leave any residue. It is purely a cleaning agent. Now on the side of the car here, we have a lot of built-on dirt. So what we're going to do is fill up a multi-purpose sprayer. So for us, we're going to use the Quasar Venus Super Sprayer. And what we'll do is we'll fill it with our rinseless wash solution, spray it on the panels of the car, allow that solution to start breaking down the dirt before we go ahead and wipe with our microfiber towel. So like I said, we're taking our sprayer, we have it filled with our rinseless wash solution straight from our bucket. And then what we're going to do is get a couple pumps and then start spraying down the surface. Just the spray nozzle, get a fine mist going on, and just spray it on the car. Now what this is going to do is help the dirt pull away from the car, become encapsulated in that polymer bubble. That way it can safely travel down the side of the car, fall to the ground, and then what's left on the surface we'll get up with our microfiber towel and our rinseless wash solution. Alright, so when you're at the bottom of the car, where all the dirt is, what you want to do is flip to a clean side of your microfiber towel, because as you can see, if you'll focus, there's a lot of dirt underneath that car. So what you want to do is just do those last. That way you're not contaminating your towel and potentially spreading it onto the rest of the paint. So we'll toss that to the side. Grab a new microfiber towel, bring out the rinseless, and keep going. Now what's also nice about this rinseless wash solution is it's good to use in the sun. Rather with traditional car soap, what will end up happening is you don't get to a side quick enough, the soap will dry to the surface, and what you'll get is soap residue all over the paint, which can be sometimes hard to remove. Now with a rinseless wash solution, what you just get is rinseless wash residue on the paint, and it's really easy to remove it. All you gotta do is just re-wet the solution and just wipe it over with a microfiber towel and it'll come off really easily. Don't forget to get the roof. And make sure you flip your sides occasionally. Alright, now what we'll do next is we'll dry the car. So once again, this is a rinseless wash. You don't have to wash it off. You don't have to wash it off with any hose water. What you end up doing is just grabbing a clean and dry microfiber towel. These are also from the Rag Company. I believe these are the Eagle Edgeless 300s or 245s. Don't quote me on that. I believe they're the 300s. And what we'll do is we'll just mop up the rest of the rinseless wash solution that is still on the surface of the car with these towels, and what will be left behind is a clean, dry, and shiny surface. So all you gotta do is just use light pressure and just go over the paint with the towel. Straight line motions to prevent any additional scratching or marring. Flip to another clean side of the microfiber towel. Continue onto the glass. And with a ceramic coated car, wiping up this residue is a breeze. The paint is already silky smooth and absolutely shiny. And the reason why we move in straight line motions is because if we do end up inducing any kind of marring So what I have here is a waffle weave towel from the rag company. What I'll do is I'll take this towel to mop up all the excess residue that's on the window or on the windshield, and then I'll use the second waffle weave towel. This is the Drive Me a River drying towel from the rag company, and I'll use this as my buffing towel to get up to mop up any of the excess residue that the first towel didn't get and get a streak-free finish. Make sure you get underneath the windshield wipers. Constantly flip to another clean side of your towel to make sure you're not transferring any dirt from the other side onto this side, causing any streaking. Alright, now with the car fully dry, you can apply your favorite protective top coat. For today we're going to use P&S Bead Maker. This is the special blue edition from the rag company, built specifically for the rag company. And what we'll do is take another Eagle Edgeless towel from before, get to the low nap side of the towel. And then what we'll do is we'll take our bead maker, spray it into the towel first, lightly mist onto the surface, and then wipe it in. Now what this is going to do is protect the paint by adding a layer of UV protection. What it's also going to do is add a lot of gloss and slickness to the paint and serve as a topper for that ceramic coating. And what's also nice about the P&S Bead Maker is, like a rinseless wash, you can apply it on the glass, plastic trim, and even your wheels. What's also nice is sure you get that. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. The car looks great after using the Wolfgang Uber Rinseless Wash on the paintwork. It's looking glossy and is well protected after using that bead maker. If you like the content, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below, and give me any recommendations for any future videos that you'd like to see. I appreciate you stopping by. Have a great day.